This model kit review is of the Kyushu Shinden, and it's a 1/48 scale model by Hasegawa. And here, I don't see any other details there. We do have that picture. Here's a picture of the finished model. It's a strange looking plane. It has a propeller, a push propeller, and can't really see our dimensions here. So let's have a look inside. Here's our canopy, and it can be open or closed. You can glue them together if you wanted to. Let's have a look at these screws. So first of all, we're looking at all these little pieces here, fairly well molded. Looks like some parts for inside of the cockpit. Here's the cockpit tub with some details there. And then this looks like the side of the air intakes. Here is our spinner, our front. This is the nose with the guns. It also has our elevator, which was actually up front. And we have our engine cowling, but some mold lines there. We have a wheel, landing gear, and this is part of our fuselage here. It unfortunately has some raised panel lines. No recessed lines, no rivet lines. And this looks like one of the vertical stabilizers or tails. Well, that was actually on the side of the wing. Here's our propeller, fairly well molded actually. Here are other wheels and instrument panel. Here's our nose wheel well, and inside of the cockpit. And here's the other side, same as before with the raised panel lines. Here's our main wing, which has some detail inside the wheel well there, and unfortunately raised panel lines there. Here is the top of each wing, and we have our pilot figure. He's walking along, and here's our wheel well covers and seat. Here are decals, fairly well printed, but not too much in the way of detail there. And let's have a look at our instructions. So we start off with the cockpit, and that's then put into the fuselage with the nose wheel well. Wings are put together. Then the nose is all built, as well as the air intakes. Wings are put on. Then we have the nose wheel, main gear, and the pusher propeller, as well as the spinner, and engine parts, and then the canopy. Here are the colors needed. And on the back here we have our parts listing, and we have the painting and decal guide. So all in all, fairly well molded, typical Hasegawa quality. Not many decals, and cockpit and wheel well okay.